Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. All you need is a system. Show you this. It's a 1 minute chart. It could be a 3, 5, 15, 30 minute, hourly chart. It doesn't matter. The strategy that I'm going to show you here is the same. This signal fires. You come straight into the chart. It's a 1 minute time frame, so you have time. Once this shifts from this candle to the next one, this dot will either stick or it won't stick. It's deliberately repainting. We need these to repaint. So what we do is we wait for the second candle. If the next candle forms and that dot's still there, we set up, in this case it's a sell, anywhere between the high, preferably up here, down to the body of the candle. You could set 2 or 3 orders in here if you wanted to and spread them out through here. Okay, this is scalping at its best. Stop loss goes above the dots or our line. In this case it's the line. So wherever you enter, you just put the stop loss above the line, a few pips, and then you're looking for a 1-to-1, set and forget, leave it alone, walk away. This one we don't take because we don't have a reference above it. Right? There's no line or dots, so we leave it alone. Righto, this one, same thing. We're waiting for alert fires, wait for the next candle. As soon as the candle appears and that dot stays there, you can set your sell orders in through this range here. Or you could pull it down a little bit lower if you wanted to. You get a fill. Stop loss is going to be above either the dots or the line. Okay, so there's the line. Go above the line. Go 1-to-1. Set and forget. Leave it alone. Either your stop will get hit or it'll reach TP. If you want to, you can do what we've been doing and look to close 2/3 of your position early. Pull your stop loss down to be in the money and let the rest run. You can do that if you want to. Again, alert triggers. Wait for the next candle. If it sticks, you can layer in orders between the candle body and the high. We get a fill. Stop loss goes above the line or dots or both, 1-to-1, and move on to the next one. You could have this running on all of these pairs here and be busy all day long if you want to. Just taking pips out of the market. Fires. Wait for the next candle. Mark up the high, the candle body. Okay, set your sell orders in through here. Wicks up, you get a fill. Generally, you might go above here. I mean, you've got the dots, so you could kind of go in between. 1-to-1, that's it, and leave it alone. It fires, we get a big long wick. I wouldn't be layering in down there. You kind of work it within reason. Okay, but you get another candle here and here. You could layer in between these guys and here. You get a fill. Same thing again, go in above the line here, go 1-to-1, and just keep taking pips out of the market. This one you would have missed it because you're waiting for the next 1 or 2 candles to get a fill. Let it go. Okay, this one you got a fill. Now this is where it gets interesting. Alert fires here. We're going to look to get a fill between here and the candle body. Right, we get a fill. Stop loss above the line. You go 1-to-1. And if you want to go the next level with this, close 2/3 of your position at 1-to-1 risk reward. Close 2/3 of your position there. Pull your stop loss down to be in the money and let the rest run. These are going to give you some really nice outcomes. Just keep following this down until you decide it's time to close. We can go back however many, I think 25, I think we might have a 24 out of 25. Okay, but it's got to be the same set of rules. There's your alert. Okay, now you're waiting for the next candle, so the alert sticks. You're looking for the candle bodies there. So then you layer in your sell orders through here. Stop loss there above the dots. 1-to-1 risk reward. Close it all. I tend to just close it. You're going to have so many opportunities. Just keep taking money out of the markets. Watch the video again. Go through the strategy. Some of these you're going to let go. See, because we didn't get the pullback. We didn't get the next candle pulling back, and I don't want to chase that just in case. Doesn't matter. Let it go. You want the setup. You want where it pulls back. So, okay, this is the last one I'm going to do. It fires here. You see, next candle confirms the dot. Then just mark up the body of the candle between there and there. Comes back and you get a fill. Set and forget. Stop loss above. There's a line there. Go above previous highs. Go above the line. Go 1 to 1. Set and forget. Walk away from it. Let it go. Whatever happens, either that gets hit or that gets hit. And it closes. That's it. Your stop loss is going to save you. And again, I mean, if you want to go for see this one here? Look at the outcome. If you want to go the strategy where you take 2/3 off at 1 to 1 risk reward, close 2/3, bring your stop loss up to be in the money. You can do that if you want to and leave a third in and see if you get a few of these. I'm inclined to set and forget basically and let it go. And I mean, they're just going to be popping up all day long if you want them. See, some of these you're going to let them go because you're looking for that next candle to come back into the level. And this one kind of moved away, so move on, let it go. This one, the same thing. The next candle doesn't come back, let it go. This one, let it go. The next candle didn't come back, let it go. Here we go, look. Next candle comes back, there's your cue, you're in. You want that next candle to come back to the level, pretty close to it. This is why we've got dots and this line. Go above the line. If the dots and the line are close together, go above the line. Set and forget. Whatever gets reached first. And I mean, we've got a win rate here that is obviously going to pay. And I mean, you might get an occasional stop loss getting taken out and it really won't matter. That's a nice one. Look at that. If you, okay, think about this if you want to get involved with some of these. Leaving a third of your position in. Oh, there's one that got taken out. So I think it's like 24 out of 25 or something like that. So that's trading the dots, 1 minute chart. It'll be the same strategy on any time frame. If you haven't already, join Discord. We've got a great community going on there. Here it is. We have free trade ideas. This is the free zone. You're welcome to that. Gain access to the indicators and our VIP where we have a lot more going on in here. You can join up here, join VIP, click that, go down to the website, click it here. It's tradingwithanthony.com. I'm happy to share my success. I don't want to give it away for free. You invest a little bit, it makes me happy, and you get to join our community. So with that, guys, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.